One day, millions of people will subscribe my channel and millions of people will watch my every video. I know that and I'm fully fucking sure about it. Just wait and watch. I'm gonna make it happen, boys. I'm gonna make it happen. This leaf has some medicinal properties. Thousands of red ant is inside the nest, and if I break it, then they will come out and they will bite me everywhere. And so guys, after many days, today I have come back to my favorite place, which is a jungle near the Pagoldia river. Well guys, whenever I come here, I get fully energetic and I feel so happy whenever I come here. Because I'm a nature lover, so that's why I love to be around nature. This is where pure happiness can be found. This is where stillness can be found. This is where pure joy and pure happiness can be found. So that's why I love to spend time in such jungle. It gives me so much happiness. So guys, I'm not alone here. My bro Mitu has come with me. So now we will explore this jungle a little bit, and I will try to show you a few things that is pretty interesting. Guys, look at this leaf. Well guys, this leaf is very useful. This leaf has some medicinal properties. Well guys, whenever you feel stomach ache, whenever your stomach hurts so much, at that time this leaf can be very helpful. If you rub this leaf in and you take out the juice, and if you drink that juice, then your stomach ache will be cured in a flash of a second. In a very quick time, your stomach ache will be gone. So it is very helpful for stomach ache. So guys, look at this leaf. Well, I do not know the name of this leaf, but I'm fully aware about this, about its health properties, health benefits. So that's why I have given you the information about this leaf. Guys, right now a silence is surrounding this jungle. A pure silence is surrounding here, and the only sound that can be heard is the sound of the bird and the sound of the wind. So these are the two only sounds that can be heard here. Well guys, it feels so fantastic to to be here and to enjoy this moment. It's really so fantastic. So I feel that we all should once in a while go to the jungle and feel this silence, feel this atmosphere of the jungle. It is very, 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 very peaceful. So I think we all should come here once in a while and enjoy this beautiful natural atmosphere. Well guys, look at this. Look at this, guys. Well guys, it's a nest of red ant. In Assamese we call that ant as jalme. So this is the nest of jalme. This is the nest of red ant. And guys, right now thousands of red ant is inside the nest, and if I break it, then they will come out and they will bite me everywhere, and they will my condition will be so fucking bad. So I'm not gonna make the mistake of breaking the nest. So they are inside it right now, all the ants. Wow. Now guys, it was fallen on the ground, but usually they make their nest on the tree. So but somehow it has fallen on the ground. So right now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna keep it little above on the tree, so that it gets little helpful for them. So let's do it, guys. Let's help the ants. Come on. Hey, Mitun. So guys, I will keep it here right now. It will be very helpful for the ants. Hold the camera, but come on, man. Hold the camera. So guys, now I will keep it here. Yes, now the nest is safe. The nest is under protection right now. So guys, I feel so happy to do things like this, So guys, now I have come to the open area. This is the Pakoldia river in front of me. I'm going there. Well, let's see what I can show you here. And you can see Mithu is far ahead of me. He's walking alone. Hey Mithu, come on man, wait for me. So guys, look at this beauty. Look at the beauty of this place. Wow. It's so fucking beautiful, I must say it. So guys, right now I am near the Pakoldia river. And guys, right now I'm going to take off my slippers and I'm going to walk on the river. And guys, let me tell you, it feels so fucking good to walk on the river barefoot. When you go barefoot on the river, it feels so fucking good. So let's do this, guys. Come on. So you can see I have carried my slippers in my hand, and now I'm gonna walk here. Oh damn, it feels so relaxing and so good. Wow. And guys, few days ago somebody commented on my video that he said to me that if you continue to make videos in English, then your channel will never grow. So make video in Assamese. So that's what he suggested to me. But but I want to tell him that bro, sorry, but I'm sorry, but I will never make videos in Assamese, because making video in English is my passion. That's what I like to do. So that's what I'm gonna do for the rest of my life. I'm sorry, but I will never make videos in Assamese, because I do not feel comfortable to make video in Assamese. So I'm sorry, bro. My videos will be in English forever. So but let's see what happens. But guys, let me tell you that I have full trust in you guys. I believe that you guys will always support me, and you guys always stand by my side. And I know, guys, one day my channel will grow so big. One day millions of people will subscribe my channel, and millions of people will watch my every video. I know that, and I'm fully fucking sure about it. So those people who are doubting right now on me and on my channel, I want to tell them, just wait and watch. Just wait and watch. One day this channel, Assamese Boy English Blogs, is going to be the #1 channel of Assam. Not only Assam, the #1 channel of India. Yes, that's what is going to happen very soon. So just wait and watch. I'm gonna make it happen, boys. I'm gonna make it happen. Bye bye, guys.